Good evening, everyone. Warm greetings to all participants of Skill Veda's online 1 month course series. We are delighted to have you on board. At Skill Veda, our mission is to empower individuals through accessible, high quality learning experiences, be it a short term course, webinar, or hands on training. Let's dive into the 12th class of 1 month certification course on Jolly Phonics. Today we will be doing a doubt clearing class and alternate spelling. Joining us is the accomplished Ms. Debjani Das, a renowned trainer and consultant with over 30 years of experience in education, who will share her expertise. Welcome, Ms. Das. Unmute.
Thank you so much. I will be doing the alternate spelling. Many
Just
of you
wait,
have not.
we can do this later on. We can do a doubt clearing if anyone has any doubt.
Any doubt?
Yeah, please go ahead because I'm just waiting for others to join.
Yeah, because today this is the last chapter which was left. I will be doing this.
Alternate, what you told me, alternate?
Alternate spelling rule.
Excuse me, ma'am, as I am in the trip, can you explain just in one sentence regarding the alternate spelling? Actually, I didn't see that video, madam.
We
Can
will be
you?
doing it right now, Shaljaji. We have not started.
We have not started. Yeah, we have not started. I will do it.
Okay.
If you all three have any doubts, please go ahead. Because for a new concept, I just want others to join. Otherwise, they will have the problem in understanding then. Shaljaji, Ramanpreet ji, Karandeep ji, any doubt till now
No,
regarding
ma'am.
diphthongs, digraphs, and sound buttons?
या रमनप्रीत मैम एंड किरणदीप मैम आप लोगों का थोड़ा सा वो साउंड बटन्स में एंड दैट इज डायग्राफ साउंड बटन्स एंड ब्लेंडिंग में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है ना, कंफ्यूजन? रमनप्रीत मैम एंड किरणदीप मैम.
यस मैम. हाँ
If you have
जी
any doubts, please go ahead. Please ask her.
हाँ जी, डॉट तो कोई नहीं है. अगर आपको मिस्टेक है तो आप हमें क्लियर कर देते मैम.
हाँ, तो डायग्राफ क्या है? व्हाट इज डायग्राफ इज ऑल अबाउट? बताइए थोड़ा सा, आप डायग्राफ के बारे में क्या जानते हैं?
जिसमें मैम 3 लेटर्स ज्वाइन होते हैं उसे डायग्राफ कहते हैं जी.
नहीं, आप लोग यही गलती कर ले. 3 लेटर वर्ड्स नहीं रमनप्रीत मैम. दो
सॉरी.
लेटर दो लेटर जब एक साथ जुड़ के एक नया साउंड होता है तब जाके डायग्राफ बनता है.
ओके मैम. ब्लेंडिंग में मैम टू टू लेटर बन के फिर ब्लेंडिंग बनता है जी.
नहीं, ब्लेंडिंग में 2 लेटर्स एक साथ प्रोनाउंस होता है,
ओके.
लेकिन अलग अलग दोनों का ही साउंड आपको सुनाई देते हैं. मैं आपको लिख प्लेन करती हूँ.
Malti ji, we are clearing some doubts of Ramanpreet ji. If you have any doubt, please go ahead. Then we will
Yes,
start
ma'am.
the session of alternate spelling.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
सी रमनप्रीत मैम, प्लीज ध्यान से आप लोग देखो. आप किरणदीप मैम हो, लेकिन बिकॉज दिस इज अ लास्ट क्लास, अभी भी आप लोगों का डाउट्स है. ये जो है इसमें ये है आपका डायग्राफ. डायग्राफ को ऐसे अंडरलाइन करके उसके नीचे आपको बटन्स देना है. ये सिंगल है, ये सिंगल है. क्यों देना है? क्योंकि ए आई का आपको साउंड क्या सुनाई देता है? ए आई का साउंड क्या सुनाई देता है?
ए
ए,
आ,
हाँ जी,
ए
आई
ए
ए
नॉट ए, इट
ए
इज
ओके
ए।
पेन
ए
ए
पेन, ट्रेन,
ओके
रेन। हाँ, सो जब आपको एक साउंड सुनाई देता है तो
ओके
ये
मैम,
आपका हो गया डायग्राफ।
ओके मैम।
जैसे और एक आप देखिए, इसमें आप बताइए कौन सा डायग्राफ है?
सी एच मैम, सी एच
हाँ हाँ, क्योंकि सी एच में ना आपको क सुनाई दे रहा है ना आपको ह सुनाई दे रहा है।
च
इसमें आपको एक नया साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है, च।
च ओके मैम।
ठीक है। अब आपका अगर ब्लेंडिंग आप बताओ तो ब्लेंडिंग में ये होगा। हाँ, इसमें क्या होगा ब्लेंडिंग? क्रिस, क्रिस्प, स्प, स्प। इसमें एस एंड पी, आपको दोनों साउंड आप प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं एक साथ, क्रिस्प, लेकिन आपको अलग से स और प दोनों ही सुनाई दे रहा है आपका। ठीक
ओके
है।
मैम,
तो
ठीक है।
आप जब बटन दोगे तो आपको सबके अंदर अलग अलग बटन देना है।
ओके मैम।
समझ में आया आपको? और इसमें आपको एक बटन देना है सिर्फ।
ओके मैम,
इसमें भी आपको एक बटन देना है।
इसमें भी एक ओके। डायग्राफ में मैम एक बटन आएगा और ब्लेंडिंग में जो भी
आपको
हमने वो
हाँ, हर साउंड के नीचे इंडिविजुअल बटन आ रहा है आपको। ठीक है। और ब्लेंड, ब्लेंड में आपका दो किस्म का ब्लेंड होता है। एक है इनिशियल ब्लेंडिंग, एक है फाइनल ब्लेंडिंग। तो क्रिस में एसपी जो है ये है आपका, ये है आपका फाइनल। और जब मैं लिखूं फ्रॉम, फ्रॉम में ये है आपका इनिशियल ब्लेंड। इसमें आपको इंडिविजुअली आपको सबके अंदर बटन्स देना है। डिड यू गेट इट?
यस मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
एम आई क्लियर?
यस मैम।
दिस इज, सबके नीचे यू हैव टू पुट दिस बटन, राइट?
राइट मैम।
This is your diagraph. Or anything else you want to know? एक और रूल मैं बता रही हूँ, whenever W comes before H, when W comes before H, it becomes W. The vowel changes. So हम लोग स्टार्ट करें विद
Yes, please, we can go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
So today I will be ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान से आप लोग सुनिएगा because this is bit not complicated but little bit you have to put your attention. Single sound but different spellings. Am I clear? Single sound but different spellings.
Different spellings.
Yes. And you are using different rule for it also. When I'm using AI, what is the pronunciation?
I.
Mm, it is
Oh.
A.
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 Like train, pain, rain.
A.
A. When we are using AY at the end, because I never comes at the end, shy I and toughy Y. Remember?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
even AY is also pronounced as A.
A.
Day, say, tray,
A.
hay, gray. The gray is EY. That's a different thing. Then magic E rules. So when we are using AE in magic, it is also a cake, hate, sale, bake, make, take. Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for same pronunciation A sound, we can use these three alternate spellings.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? When we are saying this, E, need, meet. Same when we are writing EA. When we are writing EA, it's also two vowels working together. That the first vowel does all the talking and the second vowel keeps quiet. But first vowel does what? He can take only its name, not the sound. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So EA is beak, speak, meet, teak. Right? Same sound with two different spellings. Box number 3. It is IE, I. Okay. So it's pie, tie, cried. Here we are using when two vowels go walking. When I comes at the end, it gets converted to Y, right? So the rule will be shy I and here it will be shy I. Shy I and toughy Y. And then this is a trigraph, IGH. IGH together is pronounced as I. IGH together, this three sound together is called trigraph because they are three making one single sound. Till now, am I clear? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Shailaja ma'am, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Till now, it's all good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Like OA, how OA is pronounced?
O.
O. O. O. Boat, road, toad, goat, right? And now, OA doesn't come at the end of any words. So OA is replaced by OW. OA never comes at the end. So it is replaced by OW, but the sound remains the same. O. So, grow, toe, right? In OE, where E comes at the end, that magic E rule, here also it is O. So, three different spellings for one single sound. Am I clear? Please ask me because
Yes,
this is the
ma'am.
last class today.
Yes,
You will not get any more chance because tomorrow we are going to have the exam.
Day after tomorrow. Day after
Oh,
tomorrow,
sorry,
no?
day after tomorrow, Thursday.
Yeah.
And I won't be answering on that day.
नहीं मैम, जैसे शॉर्ट साउंड और लॉन्ग साउंड में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस बता दोगे आप हमें?
Short sound and long sound. Okay, how many vowels we have? How many vowels we have?
5.
मैम 5
What are they?
A, E, I, O.
AEIOU मैम.
Right? A, E, I, O, U. How you are going to pronounce them?
A,
A, E, O, A.
yes मैम.
Right? So they have
Right.
two sound, two name. One is their name and one is their sound.
Yes मैम.
So when it is their name, it is the long sound. When it is the sound that we are doing with action, is the short sound.
Okay मैम.
Correct? Now
Correct.
there are two consonants which also have two sounds. Two consonants have two sounds. One is called hard sound and one is called soft sound. And what are those two consonants? Who can tell me?
पिन मैम PIN.
What are those? What? Now, if I write this, am I wrong?
Yes,
King.
ma'am.
King.
No.
Will it be
King.
king?
No.
If I write this and say it is Kaikal,
Cycle.
why? Here comes when K is followed by I, Y, or E, it takes the sound of S. So when it takes the sound of S, it is called the soft sound. And when it is k, it is the hard sound, right?
Yes, ma'am. E.
Example, right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
T.
ma'am.
Now,
Side.
there is another, how I'm going to pronounce this? Giant, giant,
G followed by I, Y or E. It becomes J.
yes,
Giant.
absolutely. Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely, you're right. So what are the examples we can write?
Germany.
Right? Correct? So when we are saying j, it is the soft sound. And when we are saying k, it is the hard sound. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Madam,
मैडम बोल के अब कहाँ गए चले गए?
Vinayak ji, please unmute yourself. Oh, by mistake it was done.
madam, when G is followed by sound I, Y, E, it takes J sound like giant,
Yes.
Germany.
Yes.
But
Yes.
in gigantic,
It's not gigantic. It is
GIGNTIC,
gigantic. It is gigantic. It's not gigantic.
it's gigantic.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
It is not gigantic. It is gigantic.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
I think this is the spelling. I we correct.
Ish.
Yes, but here you have to understand the word gigantic is not an English origin word. It is coming from Latin word. So there are n number of words you will find which never fit into the phonics. And maximum the words which doesn't fit into the thing, it either it is originated from the their origin is different. Like we all know that K is never followed by A, right?
Yes.
But we write this is the spelling.
Yes.
These are all Australian English. Okay. These
Yes.
are all Australian English. So they don't fit into the phonics because phonics teaches you the purest form of British English, the sound from the British English. Okay.
Okay.
Any more?
Any other doubts, any other query? We are waiting for the people to please go ahead and ask. Are we done with that alternate spelling part?
No, no, कहाँ
Ma'am,
चला? ये तो मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ.
will you just once tell trigraph and that 4-letter sounds you had said, na? Like night,
Diagraph,
light,
diagraph, trigraph, and
trigraph,
okay,
3-letter
sure,
sound.
I'm doing it. So now in these words, you can hear only one sound.
Yes, yeah,
I.
I sound.
I,
Right.
So that means these three sounds joining together to form one single sound. So they are called,
Trigraph.
yes,
Okay, clear, ma'am.
got it?
Yes, yes, got it.
Ah. Now, when I'm saying what is this pronunciation is?
true,
Through.
It's making one sound. Ooh. Right?
Yes.
So this is Is it clear now?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
4-letter. Now again, I'll give you another example of quadrograph. Because this I gave you in exam also. Here. But this is pronouncing as
Dog nut.
donut. O.
Donut.
O-A. O. 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 Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Once again, another one. These are all example of your quadrograph. Okay. Here, the pronunciation of it is
oo,
Uff. Rough.
up, up.
Uff. So these are all example of quadrograph. And these are all trigraph.
Right.
So 3-letter, one sound is trigraph. 2 letters, one sound is digraph. 4-letter, one sound is quadrograph. What else you want? Yeah, I'm through with my alternate spellings. No, 2 boxes I'll do more. Here only I'll do. So AEW is also pronounced as U. Now bossy R, I told you, is pronounced as different. This is Here again, Then again, So different spelling, sound is same. Born, walk. So in AL, L is a silent word, but the pronunciation is the same. AU, again the pronunciation is the same. Fault. Then again, saw. Different spelling, same sound. Born, war, fault, saw off. Oi, boil, boy, toy, oil. Ow, ow. Owl, how. So same spelling. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So will you be able to do the exam day after tomorrow? No queries, no questions? Please go through.
You are sharing something, Debjani ji?
I'm trying to. I'm sending you the notes for sound boxes, okay?
Okay.
So that when I give questions,
अब जैसे on a day after tomorrow we will be having exam, so you can revise the whole thing in the today itself, no?
I will do it. I'm just sending you this.
Okay.
So can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I am sending you wait. There are so many question papers.
You want to ask question, you are sending something.
वही मैं देख रही हूँ कि क्या send करो कि I will write it down
Neetu ji
here.
have just joined. If we can do that part again, alternative spelling wala.
Very good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
You were
Do you
busy
want
again, Neetu ji?
this?
This is admission time.
Oh, this is admission time right now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
here it's
everywhere this is
admission time
admission
going.
time. Yes.
We have admission till June, ma'am, for the CBSE
Oh,
schools. Yeah,
okay,
because
okay,
NEET
okay.
and state board school students also, take admissions in CBSE.
Oh, for 11, 12, right?
Yes, yes.
So it will be going till June.
June, yes, June or July first week.
Okay. Okay, so what we did today, we did the alternate spellings. What is this alternative spellings are? The sound remains the same, but the spelling changes. Okay, so like AI, what is the pronunciation of AI? It is A, not I. Please, Malti ji, not I. It's A. It is A. It is A. It is A. A, B, C, D, A. It is A. Same when it is AY, the pronunciation is also A.
Okay, ma'am.
And when, yeah, it is A. It is not I or A. It is A. It is pain, not pain. It is train, not train. It is rain, not rain. If you, I don't know whether you have seen this movie, My Fair Lady. In My Fair Lady, the the hero was a linguistic professor. So he got a girl from the slum area. Mituji, you will be knowing one Bengali film, Ogobodhu Sundari. It was copied from My Fair Lady. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Audrey Hepburn and Rock Hudson was there. So he picked up this girl, a poor flower seller from the slum area of London. So he was trying to change her diction. So there was a tongue twister. The rain in the plane made the girl sing something like that. So she used to say, the rain in the plane. So, and he used to rectify that. It's not rain in the plane, it's rain in the plane. So it is not pain, it's not train, it's train, pain, rain. So day, it's not day, it's not say, it's not tray, it is day, say, tray. So when we are writing cake, it is we are following the magic E rule because E is changing. It is not cack. It is not cack. Right? It is cake. Because magic E, what happens in magic E rule? A never is pronounced at the end of the any word. It jumps across its fellow consonant, but the consonant should be one, jumps and turns the vowel friend of E into its name, into its long vowel. So A becomes A, E becomes I, like when we are writing so it is Kai, I. It is not kit. It is not kit. It. So I is getting converted into I. So the soft sounds is getting converted into short sound is getting converted into long sound because the magic key rule, because of the magic key rule. Got it? Okay. Now, what will be the pronunciation of double E? That is two vowels walking together. Two vowels walking together. So naturally, the first vowel will be talking and the second vowel will keep quiet. And double E, instead of pronouncing A, it will become E. E. So it is need, meet, right? Now, again, when we are using the spelling EA, here also the same rule is followed because in EA, it is not A, it becomes E. So it is beak, speak, meet, meal, right? Clear till now, Mitu ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
spelling, but different, sorry, different spelling with same pronunciation. Same sound, but different.
Pronunciation.
Yeah. Got it? Same here, like IE. IE is pronounced as I. The captain say I. The captain says I. Remember?
Yes.
So, I, tie, cried. Now, when I never comes at the end of any word. So here the rule of shy I and toughy Y is followed. Here it is, quickly I've forgotten to change it. It's I. So again, when we are writing shy, it's I, try, cry, right? Now there is a trigraph. What is a trigraph? Is IGH. IGH, three sounds together is forming one single sound. That is sigh, hi, fight, thigh. Right? What? Keep
Yes,
all
ma'am.
silent. So different spellings, but the sound is
Same.
same. Now here again, OA is pronounced how? Oh, remember? Oh, when you become very surprised, you say na? Oh, oh. So it is boat, goat, toad. Now, in any English word, OA never comes at the end. So instead of writing OA, you replace it with OW, right? So, grow, crow. Then again in magic E rule, the O becomes O in poke, mole, roll, right? Goal, not goal. See, goal is poke, mole, roll. Okay. Now there are few more. I'll write it down. I was lazy to make PPT slides. At times I am very lazy. Mrs. Jain pushes me. धक्का धक्का. बंगाली हूं ना, थोड़ा सा लेजी हूं. थोड़ा सा धक्का देना चाहिए. क्या जैन जी, थोड़ा सा हंसिए.
I am.
नहीं, थोड़ा सा हूँ. लास्ट 3-4 पीपीटी मुझे स्लाइड्स मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था बनाने के लिए. I'll write it down. So UE. How UE is pronounced? Tell me.
You.
Yes, that is
You.
fuel.
Mm.
And now here the UE rule is E is changing to U. Clear, Mitu ma'am, Malti ma'am,
Yeah.
Sarabjit
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Vinayak sir, everybody.
Mitu ji have some doubt, I think so.
No,
Mitu
no.
ji, what
I'm
doubt?
just no doubt, ma'am.
Oh.
I'm just listening because I'm refreshing the old one. बहुत सारा आगे part पीछे सब part हो गया, ma'am.
You missed couple of 2-3 classes in between.
Yes. That's the thing. So I'm recollecting my that all when you were saying.
Now remember the bossy R, that how R at the end changes few of the vowels. ER, it should be air, right? According to if you see the rule of the sound, it should be air. But what we say, mixer, fixer, right? So it said So this is called bossy R. Then IR is also pronounced as bird, mixer, turn, it is It's not air, it's not R, it's not ear, it is mixer, turn, bird. Clear till now?
Yes.
Both is pronounced as born, Here L becomes silent and A becomes wa, bo, like halt. Is this three clear with you? The spellings are different, the sound is same. So this is called alternative spelling rules. The sound is same, the spelling changes. Oi. OI is oi. Remember, OI and OU, they don't follow the rule of two vowels walking together. Remember? सब भूल गए. भूल गए सब. है कि नहीं? Remember. The notes are there.
Any doubts, please go ahead. We have time, and because of day after tomorrow, all will be having exam, final exam of Jolly Phonics. Today is a doubt clearing class also, so you can ask any
So
doubts if you want.
OU and OI doesn't follow the rule of two vowels walking together. OI is pronounced as oi and OU, ow. Like when you get a prick in your finger, you say, ow. So it's ouch, pouch, crouch, okay? Couch. So it is ouch. And even OW is also pronounced as ow. How? Cow. So the 9 boxes are done. So till now, tell me, where are you are all getting stuck?
Almost clear.
Now, there are a couple of words which do not follow the phonics rule. Either they are not originated. This is Australian English. So they don't follow the rule of British phonic system, right?
So in Australian English, they are not following, ma'am.
No. See, English has become, in British English, the pure English is now,
Mhm.
it's a mixture of Latin, Spanish, Italian, Australian
American.
English, American
Mhm.
English.
Mhm.
So these are all, they have mixed up. But if you see the origin, they will always following the phonics rules.
Phonics rules. Yes.
And once
Yes.
they don't like we say that I never comes at the end of any word, English word, right? But we
Mhm.
write, this is emoji, right? We say, we call when we do the chat in WhatsApp,
Yes.
we
Yes.
have a lot of emojis. So emoji
Yes.
is a Japanese origin word.
Okay.
Yes. I will write couple of words for you which are not right. Okay. Then we also write safari. It's an Arabic origin.
Safari.
Okay. Safari. We say that we go for jungle safari.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
an Arabic origin.
Arabic word. Okay. So, ma'am, just I want to ask, Arabic origin to it may be, came from this Arabic word.
Yeah, safari is it's a mix of Arabic and English. So that's the reason we get this I at the end of a word.
Okay.
Broccoli.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
broccoli, it's
Okay.
an Italian origin.
Hmm. Hmm.
We say ski, right?
Hmm.
Ski is the Norwegian origin.
Okay.
Norwegian English, yes. Then like we say there is no word in English hi. It is a short form of
Hello.
yes. See, if you meet any pure British person, they will never say hi. They will
Yeah.
always say hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what questions you will have? Ask me. Fatafat. I'll also write one more thing. Please remember, it's very important. These words, these sounds, not words, sorry. These letters never comes at the end of any word, and also you. Forgotten to add you. Okay. So remember I, J, V, Q, and U, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, they never come at the end of any word, any English word. So when we write J at the end, how we will write?
E, we can use E.
Fridge, J. Pledge. Correct?
This is Q or G. I,
G,
J, V.
G. I, J, V, Q, and U. So when you are pronouncing J at the end, like fridge, J, right? So J will never, you can never put J. Instead of J, you get a trigraph. DGE. This together is forming the sound Ganda. What is this? That got it? Page, again J, right? So here G is having here its soft sound, J, because it is followed by E. It is followed by E. And the magic key rule is also for A. It becomes A. So till now, am I clear or you have got a lot of doubts?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
All clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Me
ma'am.
too, ma'am?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes,
Clear, clear.
So all the best for Thursday exam.
If you have any doubts, please you can send in the group also. I will answer those questions after discussing it with Devjani ji, but obviously.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
And Devjani ji, do we have to share more notes with them? या जो आज share किया जब समझ में आया?
अभी एक notes दिया ना that
वो तो I have
box
shared in the
का
group. वो तो I have shared in the group.
सब दे दिया.
अच्छा.
If
Meetu
they,
ji, you
if
are thinking something? Any doubts? You can ask.
Actually, I was thinking that I am having 2 days training, means I have to take 2 days training in school. So tomorrow, means on 30th, it's not possible for me to give exam. That I was thinking how I will manage.
can we do it on Saturday, Twinkle ji?
Saturday won't be possible. Saturday won't be possible.
Friday? 1st May is a holiday.
Yeah, Friday we can do. We can ask everybody if they are all
Friday
comfortable.
is a holiday. We can do it in the afternoon also.
Yeah. If all are having, this is the thing, na, if all are on, all are having holidays. Is 1st of May okay with everyone? Please confirm. Vinayak ji, Malti ji, Sarabjit ji, Namanpreet ji, Kirandeep ji, please confirm 1st May around 5. Around 5 we can do. Meetu ji, is it fine? 5 p.m.
Yes,
1st
ma'am.
May?
With me. Yeah. With me, it's okay, ma'am. On
And
5th, 1st
Vinayak
May.
ji, Malti ji, Namanpreet ji, please.
for me, no, ma'am, because I think I will go outing.
Same here, ma'am.
Yeah, plan.
Thank you. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. 1st May.
Malti ji, you also think over it. You can confirm me in the group, not a problem. Okay, otherwise,
Okay, ma'am.
again, we can decide a mutual date then if 1st May is not
Because
okay
we
with all.
want all together.
Yes,
I-
because we
if
don't want anybody
we
should miss
can
this
even have
exam.
it in the morning also. Suppose you go out, before you going out, it's going to be an 1 hour exam, not more than that. Just in 1 hour.
Morning means okay for me, ma'am. If it is morning,
So
I'm okay.
from 11 to 12 we can, Twinkle ji, just 1 hour
Yeah,
ka to
schools
hai.
are closed on 1st May. Is it so?
हाँ, schools are gone. हाँ, it's all
So we
over.
can do in the morning also, not a problem.
No,
Yes,
madam,
11 to 12.
Maharashtra didn't function at school.
Okay.
So
So
the
we will be
10
till
to
11 o'clock.
11 to 12 नहीं होगा आपका?
I can't say about program and function. It may get over by 11 also. And not done. But then I will manage, madam, at 11 o'clock. No problem. I'll manage.
So
ठीक
let's
है,
keep it
अभी we
11
are
to
keeping it
12,
on
Twinkle
1st
ji.
May, 11 o'clock.
1st May, 11 to 12. हाँ,
If
just 1
there is
hour.
any change in anybody's program, please let us know.
Please let us know so that we can accordingly
We can reschedule or
accommodate.
we can take exam in 2 parts also. Then we will do that.
हाँ.
Okay. Yeah.
But अभी तक till now fix is 1st May 11 to 12.
Yes.
Fine, done.
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now any doubts you can send in the group or whatever is there. We can have one more extra class if you people want. Otherwise, if all okay, then no problem.
If I am a good teacher, then you will not want. If I'm not, then
But if you have not attended your good teaching,
That
then what's
is-
the use?
that is a different thing. That is not my fault. That is not my fault.
That way, whatever. I'm not saying fault, but I'm just saying if they have some other work, they are not
Ha.
there.
See, if you have any doubt, if you want another one class, we can provide you with another one
If
class
more
after the
than
final
4
exams.
to 5 questions are there in the group, then we will be having one more extra class. We don't have
हाँ,
any
नहीं,
problem.
that only after the final exam.
What's the use of that then?
Because let them give it.
They
Let me see that whether they have understood or not. Jaha they will not understand, then we will re-explain
Yeah,
it.
because we will be giving grades on the basis of that exam only, na? On the certificates.
We can give them little bit of relaxation.
Then Twinkle
We can
ma'am,
have-
Twinkle ma'am,
Yeah,
every
Mituji.
student will be going to have, enhancement grading.
Enhancement
This is the
program.
different thing. Yeah. Now we will be
Evaluation.
having
What do you?
remedial assessment. Now we will be going to have,
Yes,
and
yes.
afterwards.
Fine. Yeah,
Because
we can do
before
that. Yeah.
because before the annual exam, we don't have much time also to.
If you people want, then we can have a class. That's not a problem. Please, you think over it and then let us know.
हाँ,
But till
this
now,
week I'm free.
the
You can
exam date
take
will
my time
be
anytime.
1st May at 11 p.m. AM.
May 11.
Till 4th May, I'm free. You can take any time of mine.
And I will be posting in the group also. Otherwise, we can take exam in 2 parts. All that's not a problem. We will manage.
Yes.
And you can send us your question if you have any doubts. If you want any doubt class, please let us know. We will arrange that also.
Done.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Debjani ji. Thank you everyone for joining us. Now we will be meeting on 1st of May at 11 a.m. for the exam.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Twinkle ma'am. Thank you, Devjani ma'am.
Thank you, Mitu ji. Thank you, everyone.